G'day guys, just a short video this afternoon on birds going in. Sorry I haven't been updated for a couple of days, big couple of days at work, and yeah, we should be back to normal now. And come on. Come on. Been on a couple of days of the cocks of it, try and get a bit of shit out of their system, and then they'll have a day off, and then they'll go have another day of ACV. It's actually apple cider vinegar. Then they'll have another day off, and then they'll go on to 4 to 5 days of Vercon, depending on how they pull up after each fly of an afternoon. Still pretty hot, but birds are doing well, progressing well, getting through the molt well. Pretty happy with them at the moment. Hopefully when it comes time they perform when they need to. But thanks guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers.